Let's see question number 1. Here question is given, using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. So here first part is given 3 raised to power 2 multiply 3 raised to power 4 multiply 3 raised to power 8. Base is given same 3, 3, 3. So we will use this law that if base is same and powers are different, then to find the product we will add the exponents, add the powers. So here we will have 2 plus 4 plus 8, and its answer will be 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 14. Answer is 3 raised to power 14. In second part we have 6 raised to power 15 divided by 6 raised to power 10. To solve this we will use this law that a raised to power m divide a raised to power n. Base are same, then we will subtract the power. So here 6 raised to 15 minus 10. Answer is 6 raised to power 5. So we have to write answer in exponential form. So this is the answer. In third part, a raised to power 3 multiply a raised to power 2. Base are same, then we will add the powers. To find this product we will add the powers using this law. So it is a raised to power 3 plus 2, which is equal to a raised to power 5. In fourth part, 7 raised to power x multiply 7 raised to power 2. Base are same, multiply, then we will add the powers. So it will be x plus 2. In fifth part, we have 5 raised to power 2 and then again power 3 divided by 5 raised to power 3. First we will solve this. So here, if power of power, then we will multiply the power. Using this law, if a power m of power n, then we will multiply the power. So here it will be 5 raised to 2 multiply 3. And keep the same, divide 5 raised to power 3. So it is 5 raised to power 2 into 3, that is 6, divide by 5 raised to power 3. Now use this law that a power m divide a raised to power n, then we will subtract the powers. So here it is 5 raised to power 6 minus 3, which is equal to 5 raised to power 3. In sixth part we have 2 raised to power 5 multiply 5 raised to power 5. So here base are different but exponent is same. Then use this law that first multiply the bases and then take power. So 2 into 5 and then power 5. So it is equal to 10 raised to power 5. I hope you are getting. In seventh part we have a raised to power 4 multiply b raised to power 4. Base different, exponent same, multiply, then same. Use this law that first multiply the bases and then take power. So here a multiply b raised to power 4, or it also can be written as a b raised to power 4. In 8th part we have 3 raised to power 4 of power 3. Now to solve this we will use this law. If power of power, then multiply the powers. 4 into 3, so it is equal to 3 raised to power 12. In 9th part we are given 2 raised to power 20 divided by 2 raised to power 15. Multiply 2 raised to power 3. So first we will use a law here in this bracket. Here base are same, divide is there, then we will find the difference of these powers. So it will be 2 raised to power 20 minus 15 multiply 2 raised to power 3 using this law. Now it will be 2 raised to power 5 multiply 2 raised to power 3. Now we will use this law. If base are same, multiply is there, then we will add the power. So it will be 2 raised to power 5 plus 3, which is equal to 2 raised to power 8. In 10th part we have 8 raised to power t divided by 8 raised to power 2. Use this law, base same, divide, then subtract the powers. So it is t minus 2. Answer is 8 raised to power t minus 2. This was the solution of question number 1.